Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a template on Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now once you're in Canva, create a new project and create the design that you want to make a template of. So I will be using this picture right here. Let's say I want to make it a template. Now after you're done customizing your design and creating it, click on this download button in the top right corner right here. And in here you will see template link. Click on it. And in here click on create template link. So a template link would be created. You can copy this link and send it to other persons so that they can use this same template. So that is how you can create a template on Canva. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a template in Canva. So first of all, open up Canva. Now once you're in Canva, create a new project and create the design that you want to make a template of. So let's say I want to make this picture a template right here. Now after you're done customizing your design, click on share button right here. And in here, scroll down and look for template link. Just click on it. And in here, click on create template link. And now a template link will be created, which you can copy and send to other people so that they can also edit this same template and use it. So that is how you can create a template in Canva.